Welcome to the Nano video on Teradata. Wondering who I am? I am Teradata, 30 plus years old relational database management system and commercial database. Thanks to my creator, Teradata Corporation. In 2015, as in the past decade, Teradata continues to be a leader in Gartner's Data Warehouse Magic Quadrant. I reside on various platforms like Unix, SUSE, Linux Enterprise or Server, and Windows. I am widely used as an enterprise data warehouse platform to perform strategic and tactical analytics. I support large number of concurrent users and provide best workload and throughput. Let's explore my features. Linear parallelism. I can scale in terabytes to petabytes of data volume without decrease in throughput, using multiprocessing and parallel environment. I can perform parallelism to provide exceptional performance on SQL request and data load. I'm known for shared nothing architecture, as my individual virtual processors called AMP manages its own dedicated portion to perform various tasks independently. I can provide 24/7 support for 365 days for active data warehouse, a real-time data integration from POS terminal in retail, or real-time stock update in BFS to perform point-in-time analytics. Teradata architecture is designed with massively parallel processing MPP systems called as nodes. Now have a look at the internal components. It has a virtual processor called parsing engine who work like boss of the system, who establishes sessions, parses syntaxes, checks access and prioritizes SQL requests to provide best optimum execute path. It has another virtual processor called Access Module Processor AMPs, which work like worker and perform physical tasks such as data retrieval, sorting, aggregation, locking and data recovery. The third component is message passing layer that provides high-speed communication between parsing engine and AMPs. Finally, the storage is virtual disk, where the reference of data associated with every AMP is stored. Teradata has various appliances as per customer business and workload need, like Datamart appliance. Uses test or development box, or for building small Datamart application. Data warehouse appliance. Uses making a strategic decision support system. Active enterprise data warehouse. Uses strategic, operational intelligence making with active or near real-time updates managing active workloads. Integrated big data. Uses contextual analytics and always-on, or up, for corporate decision-making workloads. Challenges with other MPP data warehouse solutions are: other MPP systems scale in terms of data volume, concurrent users, but not in terms of good workload management. Teradata can scale in terms of users, data and workloads without any performance degrade. Customer IT or DBA spends substantial effort on EDW maintenance, while the advantage with Teradata is it requires limited maintenance for database administration. The regular benefits of Teradata include business analytical solutions, strategic and tactical, enterprise real-time data warehouse, planning and forecasting, fraud finding investigation, customer analytics, inventory analytics. Let's see the newest features of Teradata. Regular expression are used in Teradata to read weblog data using regular expression functions without writing complex code. Using hot and cold compression mechanism, unfrequent data can be placed into cold AMPs to reduce space and unwanted IOs. For example, large historical sales data can be placed in cold AMPs. Column partitioning is auto-compression mechanism where a query can eliminate unwanted columns during query execution. JavaScript object notation document can store in Teradata to perform sensor or machine analytics. Query grid can perform bidirectional communication between Teradata and Hadoop by writing single query to get result from Hadoop data. Teradata can also captures three-dimensional types such as polygon, line, and height of any object to perform three-dimensional geospatial location-based analytics. For example, officer can trace most congested city traffic location during peak hours, or aeronauts can find obstacles for low-flying aircraft during fog or rainy season to avoid accidents.